Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can get free shipping on Shein. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up your Shein application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in with your account and you'll be redirected to the app's homepage. Just tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner to access your account info page. If you tap on the coupon icon, all of your coupons will be displayed. But if they don't give free shipping, to get free shipping, you can make a new account as Shein provides free shipping on first orders. But if you don't want to, you can just order more than the specified amount required. It will show you by adding some items multiple times. I'll show you by adding some items multiple times just for this tutorial. In my region, it is 49 bucks, but in majority of areas, it is $10. Meaning if you order something that worth more than the specified amount, you'll get free shipping on that specific order. So as you see that I've got free delivery, and that's how you can get free shipping on Shein. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.